How to transfer money from Coinbase to PayPal. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipan Basnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can transfer money from Coinbase to PayPal. Now, in order to withdraw money or transfer money from Coinbase and PayPal, first you'll have to link your PayPal account to Coinbase. To do so, you wanna head into settings of your Coinbase wallet. There you wanna tap on add a payment method. There you wanna select the option that says PayPal, and it'll ask you to enter in your login credentials. You want to enter in your login credentials, tap on agree, and now they'll get linked. Now next thing is you want some cash on your Coinbase. To do so, you'll have to sell your particular crypto. You can sell your crypto and earn some cash, and once you get some cash on your Coinbase wallet, what you can do is you can tap on withdraw option and then select the PayPal option for withdrawal, and there it'll ask you to preview and select a destination, and once you do so, it'll be transferred. So this way you can transfer money from Coinbase to PayPal. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.